Good afternoon, everybody. This is my fourth time at the Telecom Review Summit, and it's one of the most exciting weeks to be here every year. And the two reasons: we get to meet all of our customers in Middle East, and the second reason is this event is right after AWS re:Invent, where we announce at Amazon majority of our launches that we work on for the entire year for customers and partners. So I'm very excited to share what we have and looking forward to an interesting dialogue over the next course of days. The topic today, of course, we're trying to reinvent connectivity, differentiate connectivity, offer new experiences that we can create for consumers and businesses. As we do that, leverage the power of technology over the years that we have created and drive new innovations. If we look at Amazon, we have been within the artificial intelligence and machine learning space for quite some time. Our business is powered across multiple areas, whether it is our retail business, we ship 4,000 plus products every minute, 1.6 million packages. The supply chain is diverse and complex that we manage every day. Billions of Alexa interactions, drone deliveries since 2016, and then Amazon Web Services. In every part of our business, we have infused artificial intelligence, machine learning, generative AI, and now agentic AI, which is what we're going to talk about today. Within AWS, over 100,000 customers already are using generative AI. Every industry imaginable is leveraging the power of generative AI and agentic AI, whether it is customers like Visa and BlackRock within financial services, or it is customers within automotive like GM, Mercedes, BMW, customers within media and entertainment like Disney, or it is telecom operators worldwide, all the way from British Telecom to our partners here in the region, Etisalat, Do, and others that are leveraging the power of our cloud today. We started our Middle East and Africa journey 5-6 years ago, and I remember establishing the team early on in the early days when the only region that we used to have was Bahrain. Now we have UAE, we have the business in Saudi that is coming up as well, and all of the operators that have been immensely deep partners with us, innovating together. So we're very thankful for that. If we look at within telecom and understand how we are structured, we believe the telecommunications industry is unique for many reasons. But the primary driver why telecommunications business is so unique for AWS when we look at our partners in this business is because telecommunications is one area where the entire connectivity infrastructure and cloud have a deep linkage. In fact, cloud becomes the cost of goods sold as part of the business for telecommunications providers. The cloud becomes part of the infrastructure for telecommunications providers at the core regional layers, as well as the edge, the far edge, and in the monetization layer for consumer and business offers. Within the business unit that we have capabilities that we have built with industry expertise. Our entire team that is here represents the industry business unit. Over the last 8 years, this industry business unit has been deployed across multiple geographies within different areas of expertise, whether it is likes of in-house CIO workloads, the OSS space, the BSS space, the billing, charging space, partnering with the likes of Ericsson's, Nokia's, our partners like Mycom and others, as well as the BSS space where we have Amdocs, Netcracker, CSG, and others that we have been working with. Then if we look at areas within the network space, Nokia, Ericsson, and Samsung and others that we have been working very closely with, our GSI partners that are here, Tech Mahindra being a very strategic partner that's going to be joining us, other partnerships that we have developed and inculcated to power up large-scale migrations, modernizations, and transformations that are going to be, we're going to be discussing that as well. And then We have purpose-built services that we have created and solutions that we have created for our customers. Whether it is monetization or virtualization of networks that require a cloud to be adopted to ensure the kind of packets per second required, or new IoT services for telecom operators, we have created those, which is a big, big pillar for our business within the business unit. And the third and the most important area for telecommunications business is our partnerships. And I spoke about those briefly before as well. But our partners play an integral role in how we go to market. So the industry business, 8 years that we've had, has been built on these three important pillars. If we look at how we help our customers within the industry business unit, we support our customers to modernize their infrastructure, whether it is their application landscape within the CIO space, the CTO space, as well as the product management, business to business, as well as consumer domains. We help our customers transform their networks, whether it is customers like Dish or it is customers like Telefonica Germany that deployed their entire core network on AWS. We help our customers transform their customer experience as the deployment of 5G is transitioning from deployment phase to capacity management, and the industry prepares for 6G. Customer experience is a differentiator over the course of next 3 to 4 years for driving efficiency as well as creating completely new consumer experiences. And then finally, all of our customers that we engage with expect us to deliver new business and consumer experiences, which is where we support our customers from a top-line growth, joint go-to-market perspective as well. These are the 4 main pillars of how we support our customers and partners. Now, coming to how AI plays a key role in this business. Artificial intelligence is expected to have a profound impact on telecommunications across the lines of businesses. Enterprise software applications, around 33% of them are expected to have artificial intelligence embedded and infused in them, going up from 1% last year. And 15% of day-to-day work tasks are expected to be automated. So what are these agents that are being deployed at massive scale across the business, across industries? These agents are expected to be software systems that allow for reasoning, planning, and completion of tasks which are dynamic and non-deterministic. These are the systems that allow for our customers to create intelligent automations for non-deterministic tasks. But not every task requires an agent. So just one example, if I need to create a roaming plan, and I need to just buy the plan that is available in the market at the lowest cost, I can very well do that by an AI workflow. I can go out from the internet, figure out what are the plans available, figure out what is the lowest plan for my needs, and that can just be a workflow. But when it comes to dynamic choices based on the user behavior, you require something more advanced than that, and that's where AI agents play a critical role. Imagine having a consumer being able to ask a question, what is the best roaming plan for me? As I was flying in, I was thinking about this as well. What is the best roaming plan for me based on my usage behavior? And then further, what if I can have multiple agents across the value chain where I can ask questions like, give me the best plan based on my itinerary to UAE. Those kind of capabilities don't exist today, but these kind of consumer experiences are what the next baseline of innovation is going to be. These are future-looking thoughts, but in 18 months, I really believe these will be the requirements of our customers from a consumer point of view. And that's where, when we at AWS work with our customers, we start with the business case, working backwards from our customers' needs. And 3 common patterns have emerged. 1, our customers are looking to elevate the experience they offer to consumers and businesses. They are looking to change the omni-channel experiences across contact center, the web channel, the retail channels, leveraging artificial intelligence. The second big area is they are trying to create enterprise efficiency, whether it is developer efficiency, in terms of business processes that they have within the organization, or their business processes that are towards their suppliers and supply chain management. They are expecting to leverage artificial intelligence for that. And finally, autonomous networks, and this is a huge space where there is a tremendous amount of work that is being done with multiple of our partners globally, along with our customers, to completely reimagine the networks of the future. And these are the kind of building blocks that create the future of telecommunication, whether it is within the CIO domain, the products that are offered to the customers, or within the networks of the future as 6G comes to life as well. And all of this is possible because of 7 years of our innovation, working closely with the telecommunication partners, where we have partnered with operators to have common cloud regions, what we call regions with multiple availability zones. We have extensions of our cloud with at the edge locations with what we call outposts. And then we have metropolitan edges, which we have had over the years with operator partners like Wavelength, and local zones that allow for extending the same workload at the edge. And now with AI, last week we announced AWS AI factories. These AI factories can allow for GPUs to be deployed at the edge in the region, as well as at the far edge of the networks, which completely transform the experiences that can be created by operators for consumers and businesses. So we're excited about that. Just a very quick overview for the technologists in the room as well. The AWS AI stack. If we look at the AI stack for any company, there is an infrastructure need, which is then complemented by a platform layer, which then is complemented by vertically integrated solutions that are available through partners, as well as capabilities available from agent creation, and I'll go into that. And then at the top, there is the application layer, where there is a lot of innovation happening on top of the cloud. If we try to understand and unpack that with AWS, we have the infrastructure layer where we support with NVIDIA, our longest-standing GPU partner for over 12 years, different GPUs available for our customers. We have our own silicon with Trainium that has been available, where LLMs have been trained by Anthropic and our other LLM partners as well. And then we have different platform capabilities that are available. That is the Bedrock platform that allows for multiple LLMs to be leveraged on the platform to create different use cases and different applications that our customers are needing. Nova Forge was announced last week. Nova is our LLM. Frontier agents have been launched last week as well at reInvent. This is the benefit of this event being the week after reInvent. And frontier agents are software agents that can be used to develop software for weeks without human intervention. This is first-of-a-kind breakthrough capability available. And in the telecommunications domain, this becomes even more valuable within where the modernization of applications is required. On top of that, we have capabilities for developers, for business users with QuickSight and other capabilities that we have. Complete transformation of networks is something that can be done as well, and then marketplace that allows for our customers to package and leverage applications across ISVs. So use cases, before we jump into the details with the panel, customer engagement is a big area of focus within agentic AI, business operations, transforming billing, and OSS, BSS space, network operations, all the way from planning, design, configuration of the network to RCA and troubleshooting and self-healing, and then sources of revenue, new sources of revenue with growth that is expected to be driven for IoT and consumer use cases. All of this is possible because of the entire effort that we are driving within Agentic AI. So I look forward to an engaging panel and diving in with all of you over the next 2 days. Thank you.